How to log out a Fortnite Epic account on PS4, PS5, Xbox, or PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Fortnite account on any console or device. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So within Fortnite, the game, there actually is no way to log out of your account. The only way to log out of your account is to open up a browser either on your phone or computer and navigate to epicgames.com. Once you get to epicgames.com, simply go up to the top right, select sign in, and then sign into the Epic Games account that you want to log out of on your console. Keep in mind, if you don't know the email address for it, you may just want to sign in with Xbox or PlayStation if that's the device you're using. Once you get signed into your Epic Games account, go up to the top right, select your username, and then go down and select account. Then in the left menu, go down, select apps and accounts. Once here, just find the device that you want to log out of. So if you're on an Xbox, find Xbox, or PlayStation, find PlayStation Network. Switch, find a Nintendo account. So I'm on a PS5, so I'll use the PlayStation Network. Go ahead and select remove for that device, and then check every box under it, and then go ahead and select remove account. Once we've removed the account and it says connect under that network, we can go back to our console or the device that we wanted to log out of. For me, that's a PlayStation 5, and you just want to either reboot that console or device, or on a PlayStation, you can go back to the home screen, then hit the start button on Fortnite and select close game. Then when I reopen it up, it's going to let me know that I need to link an account to the Fortnite on my PlayStation 5 in order to play. So you've now logged out of Fortnite. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.